Hey, good morning. Did you get a chance to think about it?
Think about what?
I sent an email last Thursday about the Carlisle Nutri report.
Oh, that. Yeah, you're not ready. It requires experience.
I have experience.
Internship experience. Everyone starts at the bottom. That's just how it is.
What the fuck is try harder? I've been trying. She won't give in.
If you can't get this done, we'll find someone who can. You know why you're doing this.
I didn't know the software could do that.
It's part of the new update, sir. Hazel taught me how to use it.
Oh, of course. Taking care of the newbies, huh? I knew you were the right choice, Hazel.
Lily's just a fast learner.
Easy when you have a good boss.
You really want to be on the team, don't you?
I was just being nice.
Save it. Come to the orientation this Tuesday.
Thank you so much. I was just being nice, though. I promise.
Don't work too late, okay? You're doing a great job, but I want you to get some rest. See you. Bye. Hating the late nights yet?
No. I could use a break, though.
We have a corporate discount. That's the thing about people who seem nice. It's hard to trust them.
And it feels like it's all an act.
Exactly.
You should just be yourself, though. No point in pretending you're someone you're not, right?
People take advantage. I've had way too many experiences.
Oh. Sorry. Any new learnings for me?
Just one. Don't be so trusting.
Yeah, I'm quite disappointed. I didn't expect this from you.
I can't believe it. Moonlighting.
I know. Fired without pay? That's pretty fucked up.
You can grab your stuff and leave because you're fired.
Hazel, wait. This is so unfair. You shouldn't have to take the brunt for what I did. She shouldn't be blamed for my mistakes.
You can pack your stuff and you can leave.
Got your job back. Don't worry, you never have to see me again. They fired me. My family owned Curlier Industries, and they were backstabbed. I didn't even want to get involved, but it was my grandfather's dying wish that I at least try to, sabotage.
How are you getting home?
Did you even hear me? I didn't mean for any of this to happen or for you to get fired. Moonlighting is common. You deserve to get fired. They didn't even have the courtesy to get their facts right before firing you. I'm suing for unfair termination. Hey, Hazel. I'm really sorry. Do you have money to get home? No. No, I don't. Let's go.